Good morning, one and all. Myself Hemlata from Final Year Triple E Department. Now I am going to present my PPTs based on corona and its effect. Here we can see how the corona gets discharges and also its effect on the power systems. Here the overview of my PowerPoint is corona in overhead transmission lines, in corona discharges, critical disruptive voltages and visual criticals, corona losses, the factors that are affecting that coronas, and the method for reducing the coronas, and advantages of coronas and also disadvantages of corona. First thing, we are going to see the corona in overhead transmission line. Corona is nothing but it is an ionization of air surrounding by the power conductors is called corona. Self-sufficient electric discharge phenomenon. Dielectric strength of air equals to 30 kilowatt per centimeter peak at NTPs. It is look like in a faint violet color. It glows appears which is visible in the dark, and productions of ozone gases and hissing noise. Then the corona discharges may look like this. It is more visible in the night times, and it is something less than the night in days. It most all the times it appears in the transmission lines. Here the critical destructive voltage Vc is equal to m naught g naught del r log E into d by r kilowatt per phases, where del is then equal to air density factors, which is equal to 3.92 b per 273 plus t. M naught is irregularity factors, which is equal to 1 per polished conductors. For dirty conductors it may varies from 0.98 to 0.92. For standard conductors it may varies from 0.87 to 8. In visual critical voltage, is said that it is a minimum phase neutral voltage at which the corona glows appear all along the line conductors. Its equation is Vv is equal to mbg naught del r into 1 plus 0.3 by root of del r log E d by r kilowatt per phases. Corona loss. Formations of corona is always accompanied by the energy loss, which is dissipated in the form of light, heat, chemical actions and sound. Power loss due to corona is given by P is equal to 242.2 into F plus 25 by del, which is into root of R by D into V minus Vc the whole square into 10 to the power of minus 5 kilowatt per kilometer into phases, where F is equal to supply frequency in hertz, V is equal to phase neutral voltages in RMS, Vc is equal to disruption voltages RMS per phase. Factors that affecting the corona: atmospheric factors, conductor size, field around the conductors, spacing between the conductors, and number of conductor per phase, profile of conductors. Method of reducing corona effect: by increasing the conductor size and using the bundled conductors we can reduce the corona effect, and also using halo conductors and corona rings it can also reduce the corona effect. It is also controlled by increasing the conductor spacings. Next, advantages of corona loss: reduces the steepness of voltage surge produced due to lightning or switchings, reduces the electrostatic stress between the conductors. These are the major advantages on corona losses. There is also some disadvantages on corona losses, which is the loss of power, reduces the transmission efficiency of the line, radio and television interference, inductive interference with the neighboring communication lines. It affects mostly the radio transmission lines for communications. These are the corona and its effects. Thank you all.